How was the aeroplane invented? And how did one man create the world's fastest flying aircraft? Let's find out. The story begins in 1250 when a scientist named Roger Bacon wrote about mechanical flight in his book, but nobody paid attention to it. Then, between 1485 and 1510, Leonardo da Vinci designed flying machines and parachutes. In 1783, the Montgolfier brothers amazed the world by creating the first lighter-than-air vehicle, a balloon. Later, in 1903, Orville and Wilbur Wright flew the first successful self-propelled aircraft. However, the journey wasn't complete, as a plane capable of carrying passengers still needed to be developed. Finally, in 1924, the first successful passenger plane took off in America. Since then, many major companies have been manufacturing planes. But how are such massive planes made, and how long does it take to build one? Building an airplane is an incredibly labor-intensive task, far beyond the capabilities of ordinary people. That's why companies hire the world's top engineers to work in their factories. These factories use massive machines and engineers to construct planes. Today, we'll introduce you to Boeing, one of the leading companies in making large airplanes. This company can easily build a plane within 8 to 10 days, an impressive feat that few other companies can achieve. The process starts with preparing the plane's body, which is divided into 3 separate parts. After manufacturing these 3 sections, they are sent to the fitting department, where the front and rear parts are joined. Special machines firmly lock these parts together. After assembling the body, the interior work begins. This includes installing the plane's doors, windows, and interior fittings. Once the body is prepared, it is thoroughly inspected and packed within 3 days. On the 4th day, the wings are attached and securely tightened. Then the plane's wheels are fixed. On the 5th day, the plane's operating systems are installed, while the finishing touches are added to the interior. Essential items are brought into the plane and fitted, including cabinets, which are carefully installed. Finally, the seats are fixed inside. On the 6th day, the engines are fitted. One engine is installed on the right wing and another on the left wing. Afterward, various tests are conducted on the plane, both inside and out, to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. On the 7th day, the plane is painted, and the company name, plane name, and registration number are added. By the 8th day, the plane is fully built. After completion, the plane is taken outside the factory, where it undergoes a series of ground and flight tests. Once the plane passes these tests, it's ready to take to the skies within 90 days. Additionally, each plane is equipped with advanced navigation systems, ensuring that pilots can fly with precision even in challenging weather. These systems are tested repeatedly to eliminate any risk of malfunction. Modern planes are not just machines, they are technological marvels. They are equipped with features like in-flight entertainment, Wi-Fi connectivity, and optimized cabin pressurization to make the passenger experience as comfortable as possible. The materials used in construction, such as lightweight composites and advanced alloys, help planes achieve better fuel efficiency and longer flight ranges.